We are using internet to shopping online and communicate with family and friends. The internet has completely changed the way we live, collaborate and learn. 4.9 billion people use the internet around the world. That's 62% of the global population. Have you ever thought about how the internet makes this connection and sends data? If you think the mechanism of internet is impossible to understand, then you are a little bit wrong. Let's discuss how the internet works. Many people think the internet works by a satellite, but not at all. A total of 99% of the internet is through submarine cable or optical cable, means through cable. The remaining 1% is through satellite. Now if you are thinking, where is the cable used on your phone? Optical fiber cable are laid from the tower from which the internet data signal is coming to your phone, to the server of the website you are using. Now let's understand how internet actually works. Computer whose connect with server can communicate. A server is a special connective directly to the internet, and web page and file are the server hard drive. Every computer has its own IP address. IP address is an online device address used for communicate across the internet. We also keep the server IP address name like google.com, facebook.com, youtube.com. Your computer or device is not a server. It cannot connect to the internet directly. Your device is just a client. The device connects to the internet indirectly by internet service provider. Now think you want to visit google.com. You hop into buy your laptop with DSL, go through your internet service provider into the internet and look at google.com. Your computer connects with google.com and you can look at its web page. Now think you want to send a Gmail with another computer. First you log in gmail.com and compose a message to him email address. If you also connect with internet and server, once you send Gmail to the server gmail.com, he dial into the server and the server receive the email. Wherever the file or web page travel across the internet, computer break the information into smaller pieces called packets. When information reaches destination, the packets are reassembled in their original order to make a file, web page or tweet. Do you ever think how your message comes to your computer by not going anyone else's computer? The solution is this problem is IP address and router. Everything that connects to the internet has an IP address that includes your computer, server, cell phones, and all of the equipment anywhere two or more parts of the internet. Intersect there is a piece of equipment called router. Router directs your packets around the internet, helping each packet get one step closer to its destination. Every time you visit a website, upward to 10 to 50 routers help you packets find their way to and from your computer. Imagine each packet as a piece of candy wrap in several layers. The first layer is your computer IP address. Your computer sent to the first router, which adds its own IP address. Each time the packet reaches a new router, another layer is added until it reaches the server. Then when the server sends back information, it creates packet with an identifier wrapping as the packet makes its way over the internet back to your computer. Each router wraps a layer to discover where to send the packet next until it reaches your computer and not anyone else. And that's how your internet works. What do you think? Internet is free or not? Actually, there is no cost to using internet. Then why you pay for? In general, most of the network infrastructure is provided by the internet service providers. They are usually the companies we all pay for access to the net.